Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UI Ninja. So in this video we will discuss about JavaScript arrays. JavaScript array is a data structure that allows you to store and organize multiple values within a single variable. It can hold various data types including number, strings, object and even others array. Array in JavaScript are zero indexed, that is, the first element is accessed with an index 0, the second element with an index of 1, and so forth. This image shows the array elements array index 27, 13, 42, 7, 19, 27, 45 is the array element and 0 to 6 is the array index. You can create JavaScript arrays using the array constructor or using the shorthand array literal syntax, which employs square brackets. Array can dynamically grow or shrink in a size as elements are added or removed. Basic terminologies of JavaScript array. First is array. An array is a data structure in JavaScript that allows you to store multiple values in a single variable. Next is array element. Each value within array is called an element. Elements are accessed by their index like 0 to 0, 1, 2 and so on. And array index is a numeric representation that indicates the position of an element in the array. JavaScript arrays are zero indexed, meaning the first element is at index 0 and second at 1 and so forth. Next is array length, the number of elements in an array. It can be retrieved using the length property. So next is how to declare an array. So there are basically two ways to declare an array, that is array literal and array constructor. So first is creating an array using array literal, that is shorthand. Creating an array using an array literal involves using square brackets to define and initialize the array. This method is concise and widely preferred for its simplicity. So the syntax is, first we use the let keyword and next we add the array name, then equal, then in square bracket we add values. For example, array name is name and in square bracket we add some values, or you can also initialize empty. Next, in first case this is the empty array and next let fruits and values are apple, mango, banana, papaya, that is apple is at index 0 and mango is at index 1 and banana is at index 2 and papaya is at index 3. And you can check the value of fruits by using console.log. So the next is creating an array using array constructor. JavaScript new keyword, by using new keyword. The array constructor refers to the method of creating array by invoking the array constructor function. This approach allows for dynamic initialization and can be used to create arrays with a specified length or element. Syntax is, first we use the let keyword, then array name and equal, then use new keyword. New keyword is used to create instance of array, then array constructor. So this is the example of both cases, array literal and array constructor. So open the Sublime text editor, take one example of this. Here we add some heading like JavaScript array And in script tag we use let keyword, and names is the array name and equals to new array. Check the value by using console.log and add array name here, then semicolon. This is the declaration of empty array using array constructor. So next is let fruits is the array name and equals to new array. In the braces we add value of the array like apple comma banana comma, and all the values are in double quotes, mango and last is paya. And then semicolon. And next is we check this value of fruits array by using console.log and add here array name like fruits. This is the creating and initializing an array with values. Next is let add equals to new array here we add the size of array is 3. Here we initialize array while declaring add in square bracket we add index at 0 index value is 10, at index 1 value is 20 and at 2 index value is 30. So this is initializing array while declaring, and check these values by console.log. You can check the index by using arr here, and if you want to get the value of the array at which index, so we will add here index like this. So save this code and see the result on the browser window. Right click, then inspect, then check console. This is the result. First we declare of an empty array using array constructor, so add 0, and next we creating and initializing an array with values, so the size of the array is 4, and last we check the value of the array is 30. So thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel UI Ninjas.